Hi everybody. The wife isn't here, so I'm in the kitchen today. Don't tell her. So I'm going to see if I can make some gel rust remover based on the Go Do Stuff or Backyard Ballistics recipe. And we're going to start with half a liter of water, which is equivalent to about 2.5 cups. So we're just going to pour that into our pan. Next up is 200 grams of 100% citric acid. This is equivalent to about a cup. And we're going to go ahead and mix this in. There we go. And to this, we're going to add 60 grams of sodium hydroxide, which is equivalent to a 1/4 cup. We're going to do this slowly because they're going to react. Says slowly, proceeds to dump in. Then we mix it. All right, excellent. And that generated plenty of heat. You can see the steam rising off of this. Excellent. All right. We're going to add about 10 drops of dish soap. Brand really doesn't matter. We're just using it as a surfactant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So then we're going to put this on the heat to bring it up to a simmer. And now we're going to work on our cornstarch to gel this. So we're going to take about 100 milliliters of water, which is about half a cup. And we're going to take some plain old cornstarch. And we're going to add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch to it. This is not exact. It doesn't terribly matter very much. But you do have to mix this in as you go, otherwise it'll kind of clump up. One, two, three, 4, 5. All right. Now that that's fully mixed in, we can bring this up to 500 milliliters. or about 2.5 cups. After you've mixed in the cornstarch, keep it on the heat until the solution comes to a boil. Keep stirring it so that it doesn't precipitate out. We can see that it's starting to gel up. Depending on your exact ratio and your exact mix, you may need to add more cornstarch than the 5 tablespoons, but it should be pretty close. We can already start to see that it's starting to, not sure you can tell, but it's starting to thicken. There we go. It's not quite boiling yet, but it's working on it. Oh. I would say that's about it. It's definitely a boil. And now we'll let it cool, and I'll transfer it over to my container. I don't think it has to be M&M brand. Perfect. All right, there we go. Well, next up is to take this out to the shop and give her a test.